it's worked tremendously on the confidence side of things, especially, no disrespect, but a lot of the girls and a number of boys, they kind of look at the welding as, oh, that's going to be a dirty thing to do. There's sparks all over the place. I don't, they have that hazard issue mindset until we take them through the Realityworks and they see how the form, their speed of travel, the angle that they need to use, like was previously said about the expenses for the welding class. It's also helped me actually reduce costs because students have a better idea of what they're supposed to do. My enrollment in my welding classes, now I have 2 sections of welding that before I was almost barely getting 1 class filled. Now I've got, I almost have to turn kids away from the present offering that we have in the program. For a time management aspect, it's great because when I have to leave for FFA activities, the policy insurance-wise is unless we have an approved CT instructor, my substitute teacher cannot let them weld, except with this.
Yeah.
And so I can give some assignments to the kids and the substitute teacher. Plus, as previously said, we've got students who are showing other students how to travel, how fast to move, your angle, besides what I've done while I'm present in the class. So they can still continue to learn and do something instead of just push a pencil and paper because it's a substitute day in the classroom.